Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. In today's quick video, we're focused on low content publishing, and I'm going to show you how I make a word search book by showing you the exact tools that I use and showing you the step-by-step process to make the word search puzzle as well as the solution and create the PDF. I'm going to do it all here in this video starting right now. So here on the screen you see a database, puzzle word list database. This is a done-for-you word list for puzzle books and printable publishers. There'll be a link in the description where you can go and check out this sales page right here. When you click on that link, you'll see this sales page. You can subscribe there for just $5. And you can get access to a list of topics, suggestions, niches, whatever you want to call them, and get some ideas here. We're going to jump in here and look at fruit under food. And then we're just going to click here and download a fruit word list. Then when that downloads, you're going to see right here, this is a fruit word list, and it's simply just that, a list of different types of fruits. So we'll just go ahead and grab from here down, and we'll grab, say, a handful of these, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, just 11. We'll go ahead and make it 12 just for good measure. First 12 right here, and then we're just going to copy that into the buffer. Then we're going to hop over to the second tool that I'm going to use that I wanted to show you today, and it's called Word Search Crazy, and this is part of Puzzle Publishers. There'll be a link in the description where you can check out Puzzle Publishers, and when you do, you'll pop over to this web page right here where you can get instant access to 6 easy tools inside of the members area. And the tool I'm showing you here today is Word Search Crazy. And again, all we're going to do is grab these 12 words right here out of this fruit word list that we got out of the puzzle word list database. We're simply going to paste those words right in there. You'll see here that some of these fruits have spaces between the words, so we want to make sure that we remove space between those words. We're going to make this puzzle width about 20. Then we're going to use a title. We're just going to keep it simple and say fruit. We're going to use a transparent background. It's going to be an alphabet type puzzle because there are numeric type puzzles available. We're going to use 2 columns for the word list, and then we're just simply going to generate the search. You can see right there it created a nice word search puzzle for us. We're going to go ahead and download that PNG. You'll see that puzzle down here in the left-hand corner, downloaded, puzzle.png. Now we have 2 different solutions available. Solution number 1 is the highlighted solution in bold, and solution number 2 is the circled solution, which is the more traditional solution. I personally like this bolded solution, so we're going to go ahead and download that. Now what we have is Puzzle PNG and Puzzle PNG 1, which is the puzzle and the solution. So what we're going to do now is jump over to another tool that I like to use to make these puzzles and jazz them up a little bit before I stick them in a book, and that is Stencil. As you can see right here, I'm under icons. I've already started searching for fruit. Of course, there's some color fruit here. There's also some black and white fruit. It depends on what you're publishing and where you're publishing. There's also some blue scale here, some different types of fruits, all different kinds of icons. These are all royalty free. So what we'll do is we'll just go ahead and we'll grab a pineapple. Go ahead and we'll move that up here. We'll go ahead and grab these grapes and we'll move that up here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to uploads. We're going to click on upload images. We're going to upload our puzzle. We're going to go ahead and import that puzzle into the stencil right there. You can see it popped in place. Go ahead and we'll make that a little bigger right here. That as big as we can. And we'll just drop this in here. Get it nice and centered looking the way we want it. And of course we could make these bigger, smaller, whatever. I think you see the point. We can go ahead and we can download that. We'll download that as a PNG. Print quality. Go ahead and call that fruit.png and we'll download that. You can see that downloaded here in the left-hand corner, our fruit PNG. The next tool I want to show you is right here on my Mac. It is Pages. You can see Pages popped up there. It's off the screen. But all we're going to do is open Pages up. We're going to create a new document and we're going to go ahead and choose a blank template, hit create. And here we are working inside of Pages. Of course, if you look at the document, the default is 8.5 by 11, which makes a really nice size puzzle book. But just in case, if you wanted to change this, you can go ahead and change these dimensions by going up to File, Page Setup. Of course, the file is off the screen, but you can see here it's under File, Page Setup. And what you can do here is change the paper size to a custom size. You can see here I have a custom already in here, 6" by 9". Go ahead and click OK. OK. Now you can see that that changed to a 6 by 9". Again, you can make this any size you want. If you're publishing this on KDP, follow their dimensions, follow their rules, and you'll be good to go. So now that we changed that to a 6 by 9, you can see right there, we're looking at the first page. On the first page, we want to go ahead and we want to bring in our puzzle that we created. That's the fruit PNG right there. Of course, you can resize this and make it a little bigger. Drop it in here, find the center, make it the size that you need it, however big you want it. Go down to page 2, go in here and pull in the solution. This is the solution that we downloaded from Puzzle Publishers. Of course, the solutions typically are going to be a little smaller, and you're going to organize those probably in like a 4x4 to save space because people aren't really looking to use those other than to find the answers. But in this case, we only have the one, so we'll just go ahead and drop it here in the center. And at this point, all we need to do, if we were creating a book, is keep adding puzzles until we get the book with as many puzzles and solutions as we want. And of course, formatting, added any text options that we want. But we already have our nice little icons here and our puzzles. Then we would just simply go to File, Export to PDF. Go ahead and Next, save that as Fruit Puzzle. And that will save that as fruitpuzzle.pdf, creating a PDF file. Now when we look in our downloads, you can see right here, fruitpuzzle.pdf. And it's a nice, neat little PDF that we could publish on Amazon, KDP. We could sell as a printable. We could print, we could give away, free download, whatever we want to, as individual sheets, or keep adding puzzles, keep adding solutions, and make a full, complete book. And that's really all you have to do. Keep it super simple. Pop over to the Puzzle Word List database, grab a word list, hop over to Puzzle Publishers, hop into Word Search Crazy, paste in that word list. It's done for you already. Create the puzzle, grab the solution that you like, jump over to Stencil, hop into Stencil, look for some icons, put it in there, create the puzzle the way you want it to look, open up Pages, add the PNGs right in there to Pages, export that to a PDF, and then you have the PDF there ready to publish. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up, 30-minute timer here on the end screen, click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like the videos you see right here on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.